That's a nice Barracuda. It has historic plates, so it's probably like really old, right? Huh?
You want to see in the trunk?
Yeah. This is your own?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit, what year is this thing? It's a historic plate. I was kind of wondering.
69.
It's a 69?
Yeah.
Holy. That is incredibly clean, sir. Like, that is, I got a lot of questions for you because number one, historic plates. What are the regulations for historic plates now?
It has to be, I think it has to be 18 years old.
18 years old for historic?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Is that good for insurance or something?
Yeah.
Or is it better?
Better for insurance.
Better for insurance.
Yeah.
So you got this, I guess, notarized? No, what do you call that? When someone takes a look at it and evaluates it.
Appraised?
Appraised and stuff like that? With historic?
I didn't have it appraised. My dad did.
Nice.
Yeah.
So number two, how did you keep it so clean? Like, how is it like inside the engine bay? There, like it's
Engine was pulled, motor was rebuilt, and everything was painted with the engine out.
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
It's a big
That's a winner right there.
Thanks.
How often do you take it out?
Try and bring it here every week and take it out on the weekends with the family.
Yep.
And I have a Rambler as well too. It was my first car, so I still have 64 Rambler American 2-door.
Nice. What motor is in this thing?
It's a 318 2-barrel.
318, yeah. Not bad.
I'd like to put a Holly, put a 4-barrel and a Holly Sniper fuel injection kit on it.
Might as well, right? Oh, it's you probably go electronic, like an MSD or something like that.
Well, when you go Holly, you do Holly distributor, the CDI box, so it would be all their electronics.
That's great. No, that motor is nice and it's nice. It's a nice motor, right? It does the job.
It goes down the highway, beautiful.
Yeah. So it's a real cruiser. It must feel very comfortable.
Oh yeah, it goes down the road real nice.
That is crazy. What's the next thing for this, other than like the motor work?
Majority of houses, just drive it as is.
Wow, you're lucky, eh? You know, a lot of people just keep putting money in their car. Like he has a 2006 Chrysler 300.
Yeah.
He just keeps repairing it.
Well, I would, but like I said,
yeah.
I have a 66 Rambler, Rambler American, and a 74 Matador, so you can't just keep throwing money at one car when you have lots of cars.
I know, right? That is incredible. Wow. Are you gonna keep in it?
Oh yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
And my dad's he's a Mopar guy, so I grew up. He had a '69 Barracuda.
Yeah.
And then he built a '67 convertible. He had a '68 convertible.
Yeah.
And then he built this one. So.
Yeah. Nice. Well, it's probably clean. I took a look under there. It's freaking clean.
It's very clean. Yeah.
Well, I will give you this. It'll be on my on this channel.
Oh, perfect.
I'm gonna try and buy this myself.
There you go, man.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Have a look, man.
Put one of these up on the beer fridge at home.
Yes, please. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Central has one, and honestly, we're doing an okay job.
All right. A Plymouth? Is it a Plymouth?
Yep.
Okay.
And then the other
Excellent vehicle. I totally forgot I have to put 62, 60 something. 69. Whoa, what happened, buddy? Something happened.